I wrote stuff on like a toilet I found. This is an eljer sayviy. It has, wow, it has not flushable. Let's grab it. Oh, it's got fluid master tank parts. Let's take some parts. Grabbing this with me. And let's take a look. Handle, will that come out? Although it's gonna come out. Well, I left the water supply line connected. It's gonna be forever to take off. Okay, anybody looking? It's gonna be forever to remove. Okay, let's get the fill valve out of there. Is this a sayviy? As I found that. Oh, wait, does this have any cleaner to it? I think that stuff just turns into sand. Let's see if the handle will go. Unscrew this bit. Oh, there we go. Just take that out. Take that out. Gotta do this another part.